Master file management with shortcuts.
Efficient file management is essential for productivity in Windows 11. Knowing the right keyboard shortcuts can save you significant time when moving, copying, or organizing your files. In this tutorial, discover the top 5 shortcuts you should use to streamline your daily tasks and make navigating File Explorer faster and easier.
Cut, copy, and paste files instantly.
Use Ctrl+X to cut, Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste files. This trio of shortcuts allows you to quickly move or duplicate files between folders without using the mouse. These are universal across Windows and work with files, folders, and text, making them some of the most valuable shortcuts to know.
Select multiple files with ease.
To select multiple files at once, hold Shift and click to choose a range, or hold Ctrl while clicking to select files one by one. These methods speed up organizing, copying, or deleting groups of files, saving you from dragging your mouse or repeatedly clicking checkboxes.
Rename files quickly.
To rename a file, simply highlight it and press F2. The file name becomes editable immediately, so you can type a new name and press Enter to save. This shortcut is especially useful when you need to rename several files in sequence, helping you stay focused on your workflow.
Create new folders instantly.
To make a new folder, press Ctrl+Shift-N while in any File Explorer window. A new folder appears ready to be named. This shortcut saves time compared to right-clicking and choosing options from a menu, letting you organize files into new folders as soon as you need them.
Undo and redo file actions.
Made a mistake? Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action, such as deleting or moving a file. To redo an undone action, use Ctrl+Y. These shortcuts act as a safety net, letting you experiment and stay productive without worrying about accidental changes.
Start using shortcuts today.
Mastering these 5 keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your file management in Windows 11. Whether you're organizing photos or handling important documents, these simple combinations keep your workflow fast and efficient. Practice using them every day to boost your productivity and save valuable time.